Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your online experience. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all the YouTube enthusiasts out there. Have you ever wanted to change the mouse volume scroll direction to control audio on YouTube? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step is to open up your favorite web browser and head over to YouTube. Once you're there, find a video to play and make sure the audio is enabled. Now, pay close attention. We're going to navigate to the Turn Off the Lights options page. To do this, you'll need to right-click on the browser extension icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you've clicked the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the menu item, Options, and click on it. Then, in the right side panel, click on the item, Advanced Options. Great job so far. Now, scroll down until you find the Mouse Volume Scroll option. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, there are 3 choices available. Automatically adjust the scroll direction depending on the current operating system, scrolling up to increase the volume, and scrolling down increases the volume. Let's test it. This is the Scrolling Up to Increase the Volume feature. When you scroll upward, you will see the volume increase. And this is the Scrolling Down Increases the Volume feature, just the reverse way. Here, when you scroll upwards, it decreases the volume. Just like that, you have full control over your YouTube audio using your mouse scroll wheel. It's a simple customization that can make a big difference in your viewing experience. YouTube is quick and easy. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy scrolling.